Hey guys, Craig here again with another how-to video. Today's video is Advanced 375A. Comes in two bottles. We have a 8-ounce version and we have a 2-pound version. Difference? How many ants you have. This is a great product for outdoor use. It will hold up in the rain, in inclement weather, just not being washed away by flash floods or by your hose. Sprinklers is gonna be fine. You're basically gonna take this, you're gonna sprinkle it around areas of concern, just like so. Ants are going to consume it, take it back to the nest, and you're gonna wipe out the colony. So another alternative to having a liquid pesticide. Works really well on ants, but this is generally for ants only. And yes, it will do fire ants. So that's a good thing about this Advanced 375. Read the label instructions on this and follow those. It will give you the amounts to use for the certain type of ants that you're going after. Once again, 8-ounce bottle and a 2-pound bottle. If you have any questions on this product, just let us know. One more tip, when you open this up, it's gonna have one side of it that's gonna be for a spoon application or a direct pour. Generally that's going to be like on your fire ant mounds where they want more of this on there. The other side is going to be like a salt and pepper shaker, and it's going to be just like I showed you around a perimeter, or around, if you look over here, it's going to be like around a palm tree, anywhere you're seeing those ants trailing or foraging. Other than that, pretty self-explanatory and a great product, Advanced 375A. Thank you.